Hi guys! For today's video ay pupunta kami sa Dolly RO7 kasi guys, it's our personality development training sa kanilang mga empleyado at saktong-sakto it's Women's Month Bazaar, daming display at dami nilang mga pa-foodies. Of course, kasama natin ang ating mga staff sa Avon kasi para ready na kung may gustong mag-sign in at ang ating mga papers dyan, ang ating mga equipment na for standee na kailangan natin for our activity today at talagang mag-i-enjoy at maraming learnings today with our BDM and also my co-sales leader.
So, please come here with me in front. So, do we have... Yes, ma'am. You're so pretty in yellow, ma'am. Yeah.
Tingnan niyo lang siya. So, uy, wala'y partner si ma'am. Ayan. Sino gusto po partner sa akin? Yung walang partner dyan, pwede sa akin makipair. Ayan. Sige. Okay, walang sasabihin ha. Tingnan niyo lang yung partner niyo. Just, okay? Sabi ko wala muna tingnan niyo lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, next. Tell one word that best describes yung kaharap niyo ngayon. Ha? One word lang, ang daming sinabi. One word. Okay. Alright. Gorgeous. May naririnig ako dito. Ayun iba. Pretty. Beautiful. Cute. Okay? Of course, by having our own personal brand. So, when we talk about personal branding, it's about how we walk, how we talk, how we stand, no? It's about, not just about the physical, but also it talks about different situations. How are we handling it? How are we dealing with people? Especially most of us are really dealing with people, right? And then it also includes our attitudes. Kasi daig ng the basic personal hygiene that dapat araw-araw nating ginagawa is, wala man ta sa US, no? Na pwede na sila every other day kasi malamig. Pero tayo, we are, especially here in the Philippines, humid kaayo, yes. So, we need to take a bath every day. Now, what do you notice when you take a bath? You feel fresh, you feel light. What else? You feel clean. Naranasan niyo naman na pagod kayo, pero paggising niyo, parang nagising kayo nung nag-shower na kayo. Or naligo na kayo. Because it really has an effect. No? Siyempre sa confidence din. Imagine facing a lot of people every day and you don't take a bath, no? So taking a bath every day is part of the branding. First is personal hygiene. We need to take care of ourselves so that we can take care of others. What are the benefits of this? Number 1, syempre, aside from clean tayo, hindi tayo nagsispread ng kung anumang sakit around us. Alright? Of course, brush your teeth at least 2 times a day. Wear deodorant that fits you. Kasi posible yung ginagamit na kasama mo, it doesn't fit you. Day. Religiously. Parang nahiya pa sila. Okay, yes. Okay. Very good, no? Kasi habang maaga, mas maganda mag-start na. Kasi when I was in my, hindi na ako musulti, years ago, meron naman akong skincare but I'm not religious about it. Until such time, the workload was so heavy, I couldn't sleep, I couldn't have enough sleep na, and I can see my wrinkles coming out. And sino yung gustong, di ba, magkaedad ng times 2 sa edad niya, di ba? Ayaw natin yon. So, finally, I decided to do the complete regimen. 3 days after that, sabi ng kasama ko, "Oy, blooming ka ngayon." Napansin niya. Sabi ko, okay, wala lang. Nakatulog lang. I woke up like this, no? Pero yung totoo, I am very religious with my skincare right now. And it's very basic. Like, I can do it while I'm closing my eyes and just, diba? And just padung na matulog. Kasi iba yung morning and night routine ko. Alright? So, before we go to the routine, I'd like to share with you nga importante ang skincare. Okay, number one, sabi dyan, if you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you can spread positivity. Hindi yung tinatanong ka, ba't sa mo? Diba? Or nag-iinis ka agad. Kasi, you don't feel good. Naranasan nyo na yun na, you don't feel pretty today. Labi na pa doon red days. Diba? Naranasan nyo yun? Na, parang, ang heavy talaga. Ang pangit-pangit ko today. Pero ma-amaze jud ko kasi every time I feel that, ewan ko, sinasabi ng mga kasama ko, ang ganda-ganda mo pa rin. Nagpiniling ba ako? Hindi naman. Pero, iba, if you have skincare, kasi it really helps for you to feel good. And when you feel good, you can give more to other people. So, kaya naman, that's number one. And syempre, number two, different skin type, you have to know na posible yung skincare na to nag-work sa kanya, pero sa'yo, hindi. Kasi you have different skin type. So later we will discuss your skin type. Number three, it's a lifelong process. So don't be so hard on yourself when first 3 days, first kaka-apply mo pa lang, sasabihin mo na, ay, hindi naman effective. Kasi we need to do it religiously. It's a process. It's not something that you do. Well, I am proud of our products because I'm really using it. There's no peeling. And if medyo ma-short ka sa balo, sometimes may ma-stop ka ng mga item, hindi siya bumabalik sa dati o mag-worse yung face mo, yung skin mo. Which is, I'm really proud of that. Number four, achieve faster results. If you choose the right product that is right for you, automatic makikita mo yung result. Pero dapat tama yung product. That's why we're here, to guide you. And last but not the least, a skincare should help you save money. Bakit? Pag nag-e-effect siya sa'yo, di ba nakakasave ka ng money? Kaysa sa papalit-palit ka, tapos magpapaderma ka pa, mahal naman. And I can guarantee you of our products because kahit si Avon, babayaran ka niya pag hindi tama or nagkaroon ng ibang reaction sa mukha mo. Ganun kami ka-proud sa products namin. That is really something that you can use every day. Now, let's talk about skin types and concerns. Saan kayo dito? Actually, you can do an activity in your home. Okay? Kuha lang kayo ng facial tissue. Actually, pwede natin siyang gawin. Pero, Dan, can you hand over the facial tissue to everybody? Okay. So, the facial tissue, we can do it all together. Ang iba, ginagawa nila to. Ang iba naman, kung alam nyo na yung skincare nyo, yung skin type nyo, okay lang, no? Get one. Alright. Sige. So, paano nyo malalaman kung normal or balance ang skin ninyo? Okay. Normal or balance ang skin natin, usually when we are masulod ka sa area na medyo humid, nagpo-produce siya ng konting oil. Normal yon. Pero pag marami siyang produce, then that's really oily. Usually, pag oily ang skin mo, marami kang pimples. So, dapat i-address mo yung pagkaka-oily ng skin mo para ma-address yung pimples. No? Yung ating skin concern. Now, pag oily din yung face mo, usually, naghantag blackheads. Okay? So, for normal, ito yung exercise. Wala sila diridan. Tissue. Ubus na. Ayan, okay. So, all you have to do is spread the tissue. Ilagay mo siya sa mukha mo. Count for 5 seconds. Tapos bitawan mo siya. Wait lang. Sa mukha ha. Like yan. And then drop. Hayaan nyo mag-drop yung... Hindi ka. Akin na nga. Na-demo natin. Okay. Hayaan nyo mag-drop. Ay, sorry. Ganyan. Hayaan drop. Okay? First is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, drop. Hayaan niyo siya mag-drop. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, drop. Okay. Okay, sige. So, if ni-drop lang siya diretsyo na walang kahit konti na nipilit, it's normal. Pero if nipilit siya gamay sa T-zone area, ibig sabihin dito na area, ibig sabihin combination, yung skin mo. No? Usually kasi ang combination dito lang siya, nag-oil. Okay? Yung sa kanya nakadikit. Pag matagal na nakadikit, pag matagal nakadikit, either nakaganon ka, kaya matagal siya, or oily ang skin mo. Okay? Pag matagal siya mag-drop, ma'am. Okay? Ayan. Now, kung ayaw nyo ng pag mag-age tayo ng 20s, nagsistart talaga mag-age ang skin natin. Lalo na with the weather that we have. Especially pa iba-iba. Like, musunod tagawas from the aircon, tapos magpabulag tag-init, pa iba-iba. Yung dry skin naman, mararamdaman mo yan. Yung dry skin, ha? Yung dry skin, it's scaly. May magputi-puti, magpugis-pugis. Okay? Scaly. Now, what else? Pag dry skin then, you feel that it's really dry. Yung parang mahaplot ang skin mo. Okay? Ayan. So, these are the types of skin. Now, there are also common concerns ng mga tao when it comes to their skin. Sabi nila, ay, nagkakaedad ako, lumalabas ang wrinkles, aging. No? Sabi nila, ma'am, sensitive magud ko og skin. Usually, pag sensitive skin, namumula agad when exposed to something that makes them sensitive. No? For example, pollen, or kanang something na maka-trigger sa iyang allergy. Pag magbilad ng init, namumula agad, no? Acne, common ito, especially sa adolescent stage. Meron din genetic. We also have the dull skin, which is super dry, scaly. And then we also have the rosacea, wherein redness is everywhere. So, dili nito yun, magpula lang gini, dili lang gini even ang iyang skin tone, naalang gini pula-pula everywhere. No? So, these are the common skin concern. Now, glad that tayo po sa Avon, lahat po ng skin concern niyo, meron po kaming products that suits you. So, later on, you can go have yourself check at our booth, no, later, so that we can recommend products for you. Now, sa Skincare 101, ituturo ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung basic. Actually, ginagawa ko to everyday. Again, I'm not a skincare addict or fan before, but when the need arise, talagang sabi ko, kailangan talaga. So, may I request my partner, Mary Jane, and of course, we have, nasa na si ma'am? Versus using the beauty finger.
Ay, taas man eh. Are lang sila duha.
Diba? Can you spot the difference? Mas soft ang pressure ng beauty finger kesa sa 3 fingers or full fingers. Okay, so where? Then these are okay. Pwede po yung mga blousy, but not too blousy, na nakikita na yung off-shoulder. Diba? Ayan. So, you can wear also wedges. Ayan. Usually, sa accessories po, sa ladies, I don't know if you are strict with this, but sa amin kasi, the more fashionable, the more you have accessories, the more fashionable you are. That's how our standard is. But for some, ang pinaka-basic is, dapat ang babae meron sila at least 5 accessories na bitbit or suot. So, for example, you're friendly with a heart. Sige, para maglakad. In 3, 2, forward lang na mga ilang step. 5, 5 steps. In 3, 2, 1, go. Parang rob. Teka, atlas muna. Okay. Sabi nito, chin up, parallel to the ground. Walk with heel, not hitting for... Ma'am, nga naman dili kani ang mag-una kasi magsaba ang imong tiil. Kung maglakaw ka labi na naka-heel. So, dapat... And then, ito, naka-ano siya, naka-parallel sa ground. Okay, 3, 2, 1, just walk. Sway your arms. Okay. Oh, talaga naman. Okay. So, ang ganda ng lakad ni Ma'am. Ma'am, ali ka ulit. Favorite ka na si Ma'am Regine. Paano maglakad, Ma'am? Paano maglakad? Pakita mo nga sa kanila. Ito yung tamang paglalakad, ha? With confidence. Ayan. Sige, Ma'am. In 3, 2, 1. Hindi pinipilit yung arms na mag-sway. Hindi pinipilit ang hips na mag-sway. It just goes through naturally. Okay? Thank you. Palakpakan natin si Ma'am Reg. Sitting positions. Where? Then, these are okay. Pwede po yung mga blousy, but not too blousy. Na nakikita na yung off-shoulder. Diba? Ayan. So, you can wear also wedges. Ayan. Usually, sa accessories po, sa ladies, I don't know if you are strict with this, but sa amin kasi the more fashionable, the more you have accessories, the more fashionable you are. That's how our standard is. But for some, ang pinaka-basic is dapat ang babae meron sila at least 5 accessories na bitbit or suot. So for example, your versus using the beauty finger.
Taas man eh. Are lang sila duha.
Diba? Can you spot the difference? Mas soft ang pressure ng beauty finger kesa sa 3 fingers or full fingers. Okay.
You and also heard as a fellow woman. And at this juncture, I would like to share the certification of appreciation to our visitors. And starting off with our, of course, our speaker. But before that, I would also like to call the presence of our IMSD chief. We have Ma'am Joselita Litlit. Ma'am Joselita Litlit Bayalas. Hi, Ma'am. Good afternoon. And yes, first off, the certificate of appreciation is given to none other than the beautiful Miss Shirley Ocampo for sharing her expertise in personality development, self-confidence building, makeup techniques, and skincare tips during the RO7 2025 Women's Month celebration given this 12th day of March 2025. And the certificate of appreciation is also given to Miss Mary Jane Balaga for her invaluable contribution as well during the RO7 2025 Women's Month celebration. Thank you so much, ma'am. And last but not the least, also a certificate of appreciation is given to Miss Shirley Alejino for her invaluable contribution as well during the Women's Month celebration today.